Hello, don't go away. I have a really fast and nice tip for you in Cypress. If you like your test to be a little bit more descriptive in the terms of assertions, use this trick. So I have a test right here that I'm running and it should fail because um, it's asserting that a number of items should be present. And let's see. And we can already see here, so it wanted 11 topics but it had 18 topics. And although in this case it's pretty straightforward what happened, I found a really nice npm package and a plugin that will allow you to do things a little bit more descriptive. So with Cypress Div, you get a really nice expected versus actual result overview. And it's really straightforward to install. We do npm minus e minus dev Cypress Div. And once you have it installed, you just go to your end-to-end.json file and you do require Cypress Div. So let me close this and then run it again. And if we did everything correctly, then we should have um, that nice expected and actual result form. By the way, if the content that you see here helps you, comment, like, or subscribe. It really helps the channel. So let's see, moment of truth. And yes, we do have the error, but we also see this is what we had expected and this is what was the actual result. Perfect. As always, thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one and bye bye.